नमस्कार मित्रांनो. आज आपण शिकणार आहोत IC इंजिनमध्ये पॉवर सायकल्स. In case of engines, in case of IC engines, power cycles are used, and these power cycles are also called as air standard cycles. तर इन IC इंजिनच्या केसमध्ये ज्या काही एअर स्टँडर्ड सायकल्स आहेत तर त्या कोणत्या कोणत्या आहेत तर आपण आज बघणार आहोत. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कॅरनॉट सायकल, दुसरी बघणार आहोत ऑटो सायकल, नेक्स्ट बघणार आहोत डिझेल सायकल, नेक्स्ट बघणार आहोत ड्युअल कंबशन सायकल. पॉवर सायकल मध्ये आज आपण काय बघणार आहोत? कॅरनॉट सायकल बघणार आहोत, ऑटो सायकल बघणार आहोत, डिझेल सायकल बघणार आहोत आणि ड्युअल कंबशन सायकल बघणार आहोत. तर फर्स्ट आहे कॅरनॉट सायकल. आता क्वेश्चन काय विचारला जातो? राइट और ड्रॉ द PV and TS diagram for below cycles like Carnot cycle, Otto cycle, diesel cycle or dual combustion cycle. PV आणि TS डायग्रामचं रिप्रेझेंटेशन विचारलं जातं. तर आज आपण PV आणि TS डायग्राम फॉर ऑटो सायकल, डिझेल सायकल, ड्युअल कंबशन आणि कॅरनॉट सायकल बघणार आहोत. आता फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कॅरनॉट सायकल. कॅरनॉट सायकलचे आपण PV आणि TS डायग्राम बघूया. So Carnot cycle, कॅरनॉट सायकलचे आपण PV आणि TS डायग्राम ड्रॉ करतोय. This is PV diagram for Carnot cycle. Now see the Carnot cycle, PV and TS diagram for Carnot cycle. आता PV and TS diagram मध्ये प्रोसेसेस आपण बघूया. तर प्रोसेस 1 to 2 is isentropic compression process or reversible adiabatic compression process. Process 1 to 2 isentropic compression. आयसेंट्रॉपिक कॉम्प्रेशन का म्हणतात तर S इज नथिंग बट एंट्रॉपी. एंट्रॉपी रिमेन्स कॉन्स्टंट फॉर this 1 to 2 process, isentropic compression process. Then process 2 to 3 is the isothermal process where T is constant, T2 is equal to T3, T is constant, and here heat addition takes place, QA. 2 to 3 is the isothermal heat addition process. Isothermal heat addition process where heat is added, QA. Next is process 3 to 4. Here is the 2 to 3, 2 to 3 isothermal heat addition process where heat is added. Process 3 to 4, process 3 to 4, 3 to 4 again isentropic expansion process. Here is the compression process, here is expansion process. Isentropic means reversible adiabatic expansion process 3 to 4. Isentropic, which is also called as reversible adiabatic isentropic expansion process. Next, 4 to 1 process, 4 to 1, where heat is rejected, QR, heat is rejected. Again isothermal process, isothermal heat rejection process. आपण परत एकदा बघूया. PV and TS डायग्राम दाखवलेले आहे. प्रोसेस 1 to 2 is the isentropic compression for Carnot cycle. 2 to 3 is the isothermal heat addition. Here heat addition takes place. 3 to 4 isentropic expansion. 4 to 1 again heat is rejected, which is isothermal process. This is all about Carnot cycle. आपल्याला क्वेश्चन आला की ड्रॉ पीव्ही आणि टीएस डायग्राम, तर आपण पीव्ही आणि टीएस डायग्राम ड्रॉ करायची आणि 4 प्रोसेसेस लिहायच्या. नेक्स्ट आहे ऑटो सायकल. ऑटो सायकल. आता ऑटो सायकल मध्ये पण पीव्ही आणि टीएस डायग्राम आपण बघणार आहोत. फर्स्ट पीव्ही डायग्राम. One, two, three, four. Here is the on y-axis P pressure. X-axis वर व्हॉल्यूम आहे. TS डायग्राम. One to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. आपण सायकल दाखवायची आहे, एरोज दाखवायचे आहेत. एरो दाखवल्यानंतर आपल्याला कळते सायकल कशी आहे. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट पीव्ही अँड टीएस डायग्राम फॉर ऑटो सायकल. आता ऑटो सायकल मध्ये पीव्ही अँड टीएस डायग्राम कशी आहे आपण एक्सप्लेन करूया. फर्स्ट प्रोसेस 1 to 2. Process 1 to 2, which is isentropic compression. Again isentropic compression, that's why S1 is equal to S2. Entropy remains constant at during isentropic compression process. Process 1 to 2 isentropic compression. This is also called as reversible adiabatic process. Then process 2 to 3. 2 to 3 is the V is constant, V2 is equal to V3. Here V is constant, V2 is equal to V3. Here heat addition takes place. Heat addition takes place. Heat addition takes place. Constant volume process, which is also called as isochoric process. Constant volume process where heat is added. Here heat is added at isochoric process or constant volume process. Next, process 3 to 4. Process 3 to 4. 3 to 4 again isentropic expansion. Isentropic, that is reversible adiabatic process. Isentropic expansion. Then process 4 to 1 where heat is rejected, QR. Where heat is rejected, QR. Constant volume process. Constant volume process where heat is rejected. We'll see again PV and TS diagram for the Otto cycle. In case of Otto cycle, heat is added at constant volume process. and heat is rejected at also constant volume process. Process 1 to 2 is isentropic compression, that is the reversible adiabatic process where compression takes place. Then process 2 to 3, heat addition takes place at constant volume. 3 to 4 is the isentropic expansion. 4 to 1 is the constant volume process where V4 is equal to V1, at which heat is rejected. This is all about compression, Otto cycle. Next is the diesel cycle. Diesel cycle. PV and TS diagram for diesel cycle. Process 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, and this is TS diagram 1, 2, 3, 4. One to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. Where process 1 to 2 is again isentropic compression, where compression takes place. Isentropic compression. Isentropic compression, which is also called as reversible adiabatic compression process. Then process 2 to 3 is P2 is equal to P3, where pressure is constant, where heat is added. At this process, heat is added, constant pressure process. 2 to 3 is the constant pressure process, which is also called as isobaric, where heat is added. Heat addition takes place at constant pressure process. Then 3 to 4 isentropic expansion. Isentropic expansion process. 3 to 4 is the isentropic expansion, where S3 is equal to S4. That's why it is called as isentropic expansion. Entropy constant aste. Then 4 to 1. Process 4 to 1 is the constant volume process. Constant volume process, where heat is rejected. This is all about diesel cycle. 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, and 4 to 1. Heat addition takes place at constant pressure process. Heat rejected takes place at constant volume process. 1 to 2 is the isentropic expansion. 2 to 3 is the constant pressure process, where the heat addition takes place. 3 to 4 is the isentropic expansion, and 4 to 1 is the constant volume process, where heat is rejected. Here is the heat is rejected. This is all about diesel cycle. In case of Otto cycle, heat addition takes place at constant volume process. In case of diesel cycle, heat addition takes place at constant pressure process. Next is the dual combustion cycle. PV and TS diagram for dual combustion cycle. What is the difference between dual combustion cycle and Otto and diesel cycle? In case of Otto cycle, heat is added at constant volume process. In case of diesel cycle, heat is added at constant pressure process. In case of dual combustion cycle, hence the name given dual combustion, heat addition takes place partly at constant volume and partly at constant pressure. So PV diagram. One to two, two to three, three to four, and four to five, and five to one. Here is again 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, and 5 to 1. Where process 1 to 2 is isentropic compression process. Isentropic compression process where the compression takes place. 2 to 3 heat addition partly. थोड्या प्रमाणात heat addition होते इथं QA, where V2, V is constant for this process, that is constant volume process. Partly heat addition takes place at constant volume process. Then 3 to 4 partly heat addition takes place at constant pressure process. Again 4 to 1 is the expansion, isentropic expansion process, and 5 to 1 is the constant volume heat rejection process. Here is the volume constant, here is the pressure constant. Here is the heat addition takes place partly, here is also heat addition takes place partly, and here heat is rejected. So in case of dual combustion cycle, different processes are कोणत्या कोणत्या processes आहेत? 1 to 2 heat addition, 1 to 2 isentropic compression, 2 to 3 partly heat addition takes place at constant volume, 3 to 4 partly heat addition takes place at constant pressure, 4 to 5 is the isentropic expansion, 5 to 1 is the constant volume process where heat is rejected. This is all about dual combustion cycle. तर आज आपण काय बघितलं? पॉवर सायकल्स बघितल्या. तर आज आपण इथंच थांबू. पुढचा टॉपिक पुढच्या लेक्चरमध्ये. तोपर्यंत व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि सबस्क्राईब करा. थँक्यू.